Good day, everyone. Today I'm showing you the back office of GETFIT Mining, where you get paid to move, whether that's walking, running, whatever it may be, getting paid to move. So when you go into getfitmining.com within your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet, or your Token Pocket, what you're going to do is you're going to click in the upper right-hand corner where it has that wallet address right there. You're going to want to make sure that this is connected instead of disconnected. When you click on this, you're going to click on Dashboard right there. And as you can see, there's the light paper also right there so you can read more about it. When you click on Dashboard, it's going to bring you to this page right here. When I sign people up in this platform, I share with them this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on My NFTs right there, okay, on the side. This is going to show your NFT that you own, and then you're going to click on right there on the little 3D arrow in the upper right hand corner. That's going to bring you right here, which is going to show you your NFT. You can spiral it around, and all these graphics are improving, so you can take a look at it like this. And as you can see down below, I have a Zeus Lightning here, and it shows my statistics of my miner. Each miner is a mystery box, so when you buy the miner, you don't know what you're getting, but once you open this up, you're going to see the statistics of your mining activity, and this contributes to helping you mine more cryptocurrency. The more you exercise, these statistics will go up, and therefore the value of your NFT increases as well. I'm going to close this out by clicking on the X at the upper right-hand corner right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and show also what I share with others is if you click on marketing in the bottom left-hand corner, under marketing right there, it's going to have your inviter link. This right here, if you click on it, you can highlight it, and this is what you're going to want to keep on your phone right here. I just make sure you highlight the whole entire thing, and then you can go ahead and send that to other people so they can easily sign up within their thing here. Okay, you can also rent these things out. As you can see, there's other information on this side. The renting feature is very amazing because, and this is coming soon. This means that you can purchase other NFTs in the future, and then that you can lease those out, assign them to other people's cell phones right there, and determine how much coins you want to go to them and how much coins you want to go to you. So for example, let's say that if you wanted to go ahead and give them 40% of the coins that are being mined and you take 60%, and if they like the miner, you can go ahead and sell it to them, or if they don't, you can take it back. But I don't know why anyone would not like it. So another thing is I'm going to click in the upper right hand corner where you can go to just explore. We're going to click on the light paper right here. This is where if you'd like to take a look at the light paper, white paper, you can read more about this. It's a 14-page document, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to hit the back button in the other left-hand corner. Another thing that we are going to do is we can click on Tag Coin 2 to explore this further. And this is going to take you to where you can actually swap the coins. You can see here the different coins, and soon GetFit Mining coin will be here as well, but you can convert coins. So for those people that are new to this system that want to join GetFit Mining, they can go to tagcoin.io within their browser, and if they have BNB, for example, they can click on BNB, and at the bottom click Tag Coin, for example, and they can go ahead and convert the coins to Tag Coin to be able to purchase the NFT. So hope you liked this video and found it educational. Please contact me if I can be of assistance. But those are the few things that you're going to share with people when they join, is take them in the back office so they can see this, they can know where they get their link. Say, hey, click on my NFT. They click on 3D. They can, and show them what they got going on right there. Also show them in their marketing button at the bottom here their link so they can go ahead and copy that and share with others. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.